Well, hello, awesomes. How we doing today? It's Wednesday, middle of week 7, and I've got your week 7 discussion post prompt ready to go. I want to discuss that with you because I did make a few changes for this week and working towards and thinking about Project 3. And I wanted to give you a little extra time for this particular discussion post. So I'll start by saying this discussion post is not due till Sunday. Sunday. Nothing due Friday. You see me? Hear me? Nothing due Friday, right? Sunday. Also, you have your WikiHow revisions are due Sunday, so everything is due Sunday. You can post before then, obviously, but there are no replies due this week, okay? This is something I just want you to kind of think about, and then I'm going to be looking at those next week, or if you post them sooner, okay? So I will probably be your primary replier, but then we're going to do some other things with that information as well later. So let's get to it. All right, so here it is, week 7 discussion post. All right, so in the Project 3A and 3C assignment descriptions and rubrics, it should be evident both primary and secondary research will be required for Project 3, the 3-component report. All right, it's also a collaborative project. So primary, I want you to really make sure that in your readings this week you understand the difference between primary and secondary research. It's two completely different things, and they're both required for this project, okay? As well as, and yes, received lots of emails this week about this is a collaborative project. We are going to be thinking about getting into groups, and this is kind of phase 1 of that, okay? And so we're going to work together. I'm not going to arbitrarily put you into groups, but at the same time, I'm not going to let you, we're not just going to kind of go try to group ourselves, because we're going to kind of I'm going to do a combo, if you will, okay? Having read the assignment descriptions, so I'm continuing reading here, and the chapters of Markel, I would like for you to post 5 possible problems that might work well for Project 3, along with the statement of justification that connects to what you have read this week. All right, so for your statement of justification, can the problem be researched using both research methods, primary, secondary? How? All right, that's kind of the big part. How? Does the problem fit the criteria of the Project 3A assignment description? Recall it says a problem as it exists for an actual group, company, organization. It also states in our assignment description that Detroit and Wayne State are good places to start, right? Local. Problems related to use or development of technology affecting our fields, our institution, or workplaces are also good places to start. So think, kind of ground yourself in those things. If you think about primary and secondary research, the primary research is definitely going to be one of those things you might want to consider. You're going to need to go get you're going to need to get that primary research. Secondary research we can do from the laptop. We can go to the library, etc. But primary is a little different. So think about those things. Finally, I would like you also to make a general statement based on Markel's Writing Collaboratively, Chapter 3. How would you propose to manage the project? What electronic tools might you employ? Would you conduct meetings? How? How often? Etc., etc. So, blah, 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 blah. I said all that, so here's kind of what your post might look like, all right? So you have 5 problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Justification, your statement of justification. Your statement of justification would be addressing these items. It should be multiple sentences, okay? And you should have multiple sentences about your writing collaborative statement, right? How you propose to manage the project, right? How you propose to manage the project is what electronic tools might you employ, conduct meetings, how often, what do you see as working good for the group? Relying heavily on our text, right? Markel, right? Markel is addressing both of these items, and Projects 3A and 3C are giving us kind of what we need to do so we can take Markel's ideas when it comes to writing collaboratively. We can also take Markel's ideas when it comes to helping us understand this primary and secondary research, help us narrow down further our topics, right, or our problem, right, that we're going to look for. So, all right, so that's it. I want to just make sure and review that with you. It's pretty straightforward, but there's a lot to it. It's a little bit more involved this week, which is why I'm giving you till Sunday to make this post. Of course, obviously, it's up now. So you can post anytime that you want to between now and Sunday. It's just due by Sunday as opposed to by Friday. So just FYI. Okay, guys? All right. Thank you for watching. Enjoy this rainy weather today. And then I'll be back with you with more about WikiHow and other things. Okay? Talk to you soon. Have a great week. Bye. Thanks for watching.